Yes, in fact, when this particular incident had happened, the police had acted very swiftly, and within a matter of hours, they were able to identify the individuals who were involved, and the concerned individuals, in fact, inquiry and proper investigation is going on. And I can assure everyone that we will leave no stone unturned to ensure that we get to all the people who are involved in this, and will ensure that people who have been involved in trying to create fear are punished. So therefore, proper action will be taken. And regarding the larger question of our youth being involved, yes, there's been instances where our young boys and girls sometimes do go into this line, and we from the government side have always believed that in order to ensure that this does not take place, it's important for us to engage the youth in a proper manner. We need to give the opportunities to the youth so that they don't go in the wrong direction. And that is the reason why this government has been focusing largely on entrepreneurship, creating of jobs through entrepreneurship. We have focused on the youth policy, and we realize that a large youth and large workforce is there in Meghalaya, and we need to continuously ensure that programs come in. So therefore, yes, it's an issue that I have always mentioned this. In fact, on my speech in 26th January also, as well as on 21st of January, I mentioned that ensuring that proper opportunities are given to the youth is going to be one of the challenges in the coming decades for us. And therefore, we are aware about it, and we'll do our best to ensure we address those issues.